Hey girl, hey, I'm Desiree. Welcome to my channel. So Elemo Hair sent me this wig. This is a 20-inch human hair headband wig. This is the box that it came in, and they did give me a couple of headbands, and I will try a couple of those on for you later. They also sent me this little leopard like makeup bag, and it had these really pretty lashes in it, and the case is actually like really pretty. Like I'm probably just gonna like keep this case and store my lashes in it. And then they also gave me like a little makeup sponge, or like just a powder thing. I don't know. I've never really used this, but I feel like I know what it's used for. And then also I got two wig caps, and they actually sent me the right color, so running my fingers through the wig, it feels really good. I actually like the density of the wig. I feel like it's perfect for a headband wig. It's not going to be the thickest wig, okay girl, but it really gives natural vibes. It really looked like, I just pulled my hair back today, okay, just because I felt like it, okay, period. And then as far as shedding, I experienced little to no shedding, and honestly wasn't even noticeable. Like I didn't notice any shedding. So I really experienced like very little shedding. And then the construction of the wig is pretty standard. It has two combs in the front, one at the crown of the wig and one on the back of the wig. And then it has that strap that you secure around the back just for extra security. I actually didn't use the combs when I installed my this unit, but I used that thick strap, and baby, you pair that with the wig grip, your wig ain't going nowhere, okay? But this strap is actually very comfortable, and I actually appreciate that Velcro. It's actually pretty long, so I got a big head, so I need some space, okay? I gotta fit this head up in this wig, so I really like that the fact that the Velcro is adjustable to your head size. All of the links to this hair will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check the description box if you are interested in purchasing this hair. All right, you guys, as you can see, installing this hair was super easy, girl. I just slicked my little edges down and I threw that thing on and it's giving, okay? It's giving. I just slicked my hair back for the day, okay? I'm really digging this wig. But thank you again to Elemo Hair for sending this unit to me. Everything I've said in this video on my review is 100% facts, is 100% honest, okay, period. And don't forget to check the description box if you are interested in this unit or details about the hair or the company. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.